I forced Claude Fable 5 to create me 3 AI businesses in less than 3 hours. And I gave it one simple but brutal instruction. Imagine I have $0, 0 clients, and no portfolio. I need you to make me as much money as possible today. Don't just give me ideas in a chat box. I need you to build everything. So Claude has to choose the business, create the brands, produce the cinematic ads, everything with little to no help from me. And then I'm going to follow its instructions and show you exactly where it tells me to find potential clients. 3 businesses, 3 hours, starting from complete zero. The clock starts now. So before Claude can build any of these businesses, I need to give it hands, because on its own, Claude Fable 5 can write a business plan. It can come up with names and tell me what I should create, but it can't actually produce the finished ads. This is where Higgsfield MCP comes in. Now, MCP stands for Model Context Protocol, but the easiest way to understand it is it's like a USB port for AI. You connect a tool to Claude, and suddenly Claude can stop talking about the work and start doing it. In this case, Claude is going to be the brain, and Higgsfield is going to be the production studio. Let's connect it really quick. Let me show you how to do this. We're in Claude right now. We come down to settings, scroll down to connectors here. We come up to add, browse connectors, and we're going to type there it is, Higgsfield. We click on this, we click connect. Okay, it's now connected to Higgsfield. But here's something important that we have to do before we get started. We click on Higgsfield. We make sure this interactive tools is set to always allow. Scrolling down, we make sure the read-only tools is set to always allow. Scrolling down one more time, we make sure the write-delete tools is set to always allow. We click X, and that's it, guys. It's ready to go. So we're on Claude here. Make sure that we have it set to Fable 5. Here are the other models, but Fable 5 is currently literally the best AI model in the world. So we're going to make sure it's on Fable 5. We're going to enter this prompt here. This prompt is in the description below. It's basically telling Claude that he has 3 hours. I need you to find me the best types of businesses, find the gap in the market, find the businesses that have the highest chance of making me money today, not in a week, but today. Okay, Claude is actively searching all of these websites. It's doing its due diligence and research, and it's coming up with the best businesses possible. The first one is AI UGC video ads. Now, the product, those real person talking to camera style ads that brands run on TikTok and Meta, except you generate them with AI instead of filming anything. Why this business will succeed. And again, Claude did all of its research on this already. Brands pay anywhere from $150 to $500 per video as a standard market rate right now. UGC deliverable sitting at around $200 for one short vertical video. Creators with proven ad performance charge anywhere from $800 to $2,000 per asset. That's absolutely crazy. It goes on to explain why demand is exploding, why brands urgently need this. Now, the name of our brand is Scroll Stop Studio. Again, Claude is creating this in less than an hour. The positioning statement is AI-powered UGC ad creative for DTC skincare brands. Testimonial style videos delivered in 48 hours. Here's the offer. There's the starter, which is 5 UGC videos, price $497, growth 10 videos, $897, and retainer is 20 UGC videos per month for $1,500. That's a good start. It goes on to give us the client problem, the creative concept, the deliverable. It's creating our entire business from a single prompt. Let's go ahead and see what videos and different types of content it's made us.
Okay, don't tell anyone, but I found the best vitamin C serum. I've been using it for a week and my skin actually looks brighter.
Guys, you have to try this. My skin has never looked better. I'm obsessed. Guys, I swear by this stuff. My skin has never looked better.
So this business idea actually got the gears of my mind working, and I did a little bit more research, and this is what I found. It's crazy. Check this out. So Hailey Bieber, I think that's Justin Bieber's sister, she made $212 million during the 12 months ending in March 2025. Susan Yara, $90 million. Kylie Jenner, Coty paid $600 million for 51% of Kylie Beauty partnership. Dude, who are even half of these people? I haven't heard of them. I don't care. But I can almost guarantee you that the majority of them, don't have a fifth of the talent or intelligence that you have. Yet, they're making millions of dollars from skincare products. And now in 2026, you don't have to have a college education. You don't have to take out hundreds of thousands of dollars in student debt. and hope that you can climb the corporate ladder. So your boss is going to give you a raise and the whole American dream. It's all bullshit. None of it exists anymore. Tools like Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield are making it possible for normal, everyday, non-technical people to succeed. Claude Fable 5 and Higgsfield even created us these hyper-realistic skincare serum bottles for our portfolio. And in combination, we have the 10 UGC style videos. And here in a little bit, I'm going to show you how Fable 5 is helping us get clients and actually make money with these businesses. All right, let's get into the second business. The first business is already a game changer. Let's see what it gives us. Okay, Claude, work your magic. Give me the second business. Okay, 5 minutes later, and here's what it gave us for our second business. The restaurant industry is quietly one of the biggest money pools in America and probably across the world. U.S. restaurant industry sales are projected to hit 1.5 trillion in wait, is this a typo? 1.5 trillion in 2026. That's most likely true. Americans love to eat. I just knowing what I know about America. I've had 2 or 3 restaurants that I've owned myself, and oh my God, do Americans love? I'm not calling Americans fat. What I am saying is they love to eat. Just everybody around the world loves to eat. Who doesn't? There are over 1 million restaurants and food service outlets in the U.S. alone. Professional food photographers charge anywhere from $250 to $7,500 per session, or $25 to $200 per dish. That's absolutely true. And here's the pressure point. 42% of operators said their restaurant was not profitable in 2025 due to the rising costs of traditional photography. They desperately need more customers but can't afford a $2,000 photo shoot. Our business is called Plate Glow Studio. This is the complete build. Positioning statement, menu to content, studio for independent restaurants. Here's what we're charging. Taster, 10 hyper-realistic dish images, feed ready. These can be done in 72 hours. I mean, Claude gave it to us in less than 10 minutes. The price is $200. We have another package starting at $500. The final package, the content retainer, starting at $800 per month. Let me show you what the food looks like. Be honest. If you saw this on your DoorDash delivery app or whatever delivery app you use, would you order from this Mexican restaurant? I know I would. It looks so tasty. Can you imagine like people stumbling out of the club or the bar at 4 a.m. looking on their delivery DoorDash app and seeing this food, seeing churros covered in chocolate? Same thing with this Italian restaurant. This fresh pasta being tossed, being sprinkled with Parmesan cheese. Pizza, the cheese pull is absolutely insane. This looks like an artisan. It's just a piece of art. This food actually looks palatable. This is the food that gets the most amount of sales, not only on delivery apps, but if you have your own website or restaurant or social media posts. It's just absolutely crazy what this technology can do for us today. Let me show you the videos that I created for us for the restaurant to post on their social media as well. This is just a nice little bonus that we can sell them or possibly upsell them as well. This video is absolutely it's insanity. Look at this. Look at the cheese dripping. Here's another one of somebody making a tortilla and inflating on the grill. Some of these videos are 100% perfect, and some of these videos like this one, it's not quite there. But check out all of the rest of them. A fresh artisan pizza coming out of the oven looks fantastic. Fresh lasagna like grandmother used to make. This one right here, oof, this one makes me hungry. Okay, Claude, you sexy beast of an AI chatbot. I need you to create my third and final business. We're almost up. The timer's almost done. Make it good. Make it great. Make me some money. Let's do it. All right, here we go, guys. The last business. Business number 3, the cheapest to run, the easiest clients to find on earth, and the numbers are honestly the craziest of all 3. Business number 3, why this is powerful. Real estate agents live and die by listing photos, and the data on staging is almost unfair. Stage homes sell roughly 10% more and 1 week faster. That's from 2026 academic study of 15,000 transactions. Virtually staged listings get 90% more clicks and sell 73% faster. Absolutely crazy. When you're dealing with properties anywhere from 100,000 all the way up to several $1 million, we're cutting time on market from 52 days to about 29 to 31 days. Stage homes in competitive markets sold for an average of $40,000 over list price. It goes on to show us the different types of statistics when it comes to staging homes. Now, here's our complete build. The name of our company is going to be called Listing Lift Studio. Our positioning statement is this: AI listing visuals for real estate agents. Vacant rooms virtually staged and dull exteriors turned into twilight showpieces delivered in 24 hours for less than the cost of 1 tank of gas. Pretty good. Here's the value proposition. Empty rooms, decline offers. We fill them in 24 hours. Stage photos buyers fall in love with at a fraction of virtual staging market rates. Here's what we're charging. Single listing, 6 virtually staged photos, $150. Listing Pro, $249. Monthly retainer, up to 4 listings per month, $497 a month. Let's check out the before and after photos that it gave us for our portfolio. I think this is one of the most powerful businesses because the real estate market is just trillions and trillions of dollars, and real estate agents are always looking to add to their profit margin. Here's the most important part of the video and what most of you are probably here for. Yes, these business ideas are fantastic, and yes, they can potentially make us money and create a full-time business for us. But they're useless if we don't know how to get clients, or if Claude Fable 5 cannot get clients for us. Now, let me ask it the final question, the ultimate question, the $1 million question. Here we go. Okay, Claude, how exactly can you get us clients for these 3 businesses? For each of the 3 businesses, it's telling us exactly how it's going to get us clients. And more importantly, it's actually going to do the heavy lifting. Here's what I mean. Starting at business number 1, the skincare brand, Claude is actually taking control of my Chrome browser, and it's going through meta ads. It's finding anything that has to do with skincare or beauty, and then it's going through Kickstarter and it's finding all the relevant campaigns as well. After going through Kickstarter and meta ads, it's actually found 18 brands that we can reach out to, and it's separated them into different tiers. Tier 1, heavy spenders, tier 2, active spenders, and tier 3 as well. Now, this would have taken us multiple hours, probably a day or 2 to complete, to actually manually search this. Claude literally did this in less than 10 minutes. After searching Google Maps for about 5 minutes, Claude Fable 5 came up with a list of 50 restaurants in our niche. So they're Peruvian, Mexican, Honduran, Colombian, San Salvadorian, but kind of in the same category with the same types of pictures. Now, it not only came up with the names, it's the type of cuisine, it's the area, it's the rating, their phone number, their website, why they're a target, why they're going to be a good customer. It gives us reasons why we should contact these businesses. This would have taken hours and hours, possibly days, to come up with this type of list and categorize them into the best possible clients for our specific business. It's even giving us the outreach route. Walk up, Instagram DM, phone, IG DM, walk in script, phone, script, walk in, ask for Millie. What? How does it know this? And of course, you can do Facebook DMs as well. But this type of information is so relevant. You would have paid somebody, I don't know, hundreds of dollars to create this type of list, or wasted hours of your own time. For the 3rd real estate staging business, Claude Fable 5 has again taken control of our Chrome browser and is finding contact info from different real estate agents automatically. And when it's done, it creates personalized emails for each one of them and sends them all out without you touching a single button. If you're doing this professionally and you get into this full time, you're going to want to change a Gmail to a paid email address that's already warmed up, because if you're sending massive amounts of emails from Gmail, that's obviously not going to work. It'll work for a little bit until it doesn't. You want to get yourself a dedicated email address. You can buy these pre-warmed email addresses already on the internet, and they're not very expensive. Fable 5 even holds our hand through the whole process. It created us 3 slides, and it's showing us what it's already done for us here. It's search ad meta library, scan Kickstarter, built 18 brand hit lists with custom angle for each. This is for the first business, Scroll Stop Studio, and it's giving us our next 3 steps, what we need to actually do. And it's going down the list and it's doing it for each business. Plate Glow Studio, what's already done for us, pulled 50 Miami restaurants, and now our only 3 steps that we need to do. Business number 3 is the Listing Lift Studio, what's already done for us, and then our final 3 steps. It's literally taking us step by step. There's no guesswork here. Fable 5 is the smartest AI in the entire world, and if you follow what it says, you will create a full-time business eventually. It's not a question of if, it's a question of when. How motivated are you? How dedicated are you? And most of all, how consistent are you in this specific business model? We just created 3 real businesses in less than 3 hours. I think it took like an hour and a half. But If you focus only on one business, just one business, Higgsfield and Fable 5 do 95% of the heavy lifting for you. This would have taken us hours and weeks. It's just so much information that we had to dig through on the internet manually. 95% of the business idea, the research, all of that is already handled by Fable 5 and Higgsfield. And if you want to try Higgsfield, the link is in the description below. And also, if you like my video, if you like the way I teach, and if you want to continue learning about how to make money with AI, I run one of the fastest growing AI income newsletters in the world. Thousands of people are already reading it. I'd love to have you part of the family. It's completely free. If you want to join, scan the QR code on the screen or click on the link in the description right now to join. All right, guys, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.